Hi, I'm Corey Pollard, a disability attorney in Richmond, Virginia, and I have a question for you. Did you get a notice from Social Security that they want you to see their doctor? That's called a consultative examination, and it can make or break your disability claim. A consultative exam, or CE for short, happens when Social Security doesn't think your medical records give them enough information. Send you to a doctor they pay for a one-time evaluation. Here's what matters. Social Security, or DDS, pays this doctor. This doctor doesn't have a treatment relationship with you. They're usually not specialists in your condition. I've even seen OBGYNs and pediatricians perform consultative exams for men alleging disability from back pain. Now, these CE doctors might spend only 15 to 20 minutes with you. Not nearly enough time to understand complex medical problems that have bothered you for years and affected your ability to work. Sometimes the CE is a physical exam. Sometimes it's psychological testing. Other times, it's both. Social Security uses these exams to fill perceived gaps in your medical reports. And sometimes they use them to deny your claim for SSDI or SSI benefits. Now, what actually happens at a CE? First, you'll get a letter with the date, time, and location, usually within a week or two of receiving it. The doctor will ask you about your medical history and current symptoms. They'll do a basic physical exam, checking range of motion, strength, reflexes, things like that. For mental health CEs, expect questions about your daily routine, relationships, concentration, and how you handle stress. The CE doctor might do memory tests or ask you to solve simple problems. In talking to clients, the whole thing usually takes 20 to 30 minutes, sometimes longer. Then the doctor will write a report that goes straight to the disability examiner or judge deciding your case. You might not see that report until you request your file later to prepare for a disability hearing. Now, what are the biggest mistakes people make? First, not showing up. If you miss the consultative exam without good reason, your claim probably gets denied immediately, period. The examiner will say they don't have enough evidence. Another mistake, minimizing your problems. People think if they complain too much, the doctor won't believe them. That's wrong. This is not the time to tough it out or have a great day. Tell them how great your day is, even when it's not. Talk about your limitations honestly, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Next, bring documentation. The C is not a memory test. Bring a medication list, bring any assistive devices you use, bring any results from diagnostic imaging you may have. This is part of the preparation. Write down your symptoms and limitations before you go. Be specific about how long you can stand, how much you can lift, how far you can walk, how often you have to stop when doing chores. You also should prepare to describe your pain accurately. Don't just say it hurts. Say, there's a sharp stabbing pain in my back that goes down my left leg, and it gets worse if I stand too long, for example, over 10 minutes, or lift too much. And if you take medications, know what they are and what they're for. The doctors can use that, the CE doctors, to come up with your official diagnosis. Now, this is just a brief overview of the consultative exam. The bottom line is I want you to take it seriously, show up prepared, and be honest about your limitations. And if you're represented, talk to your lawyer before you go. We prepare our clients for these all the time. Have questions about your disability claim? Call me at 804-251-1620 or visit my website, cpollardlaw.com. And finally, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on Social Security disability claims and how to get the payments you deserve. Best of luck with your health and your case.